Tammy Slaton has once again found herself at the center of a heated discussion among fans of the hit TLC reality series 1000 LB Sisters after openly admitting that she has slipped back into one of her oldest and most dangerous habits. Despite losing more than 500 pounds and shocking the world with her inspiring weight loss transformation, Tammy recently confessed that she has been drinking sodies again. For longtime viewer, the word sody is more than just a funny term Tammy and her family have used to describe soda. It's a symbol of the unhealthy lifestyle choices that once kept her trapped in a cycle of food addiction and immobility. Now fans are wondering what this means for Tammy's future and whether she is truly at risk of falling back into a spiral that could undo years of progress. For Tammy Slaton, sugary drinks were never just a small indulgence. Over the years, she has admitted to consuming multiple sodas a day, sometimes even more than a dozen, leading doctors and loved ones to repeatedly warn her that her life was at risk if she didn't change her habits. Her health was on the line in ways that viewer could clearly see. She struggled to breathe, could barely walk without assistance, and at one point required oxygen to survive. The shocking part of her story was that she continued to cling to unhealthy choices even when doctors told her that she was in danger of organ failure and premature death. Yet, through determination, medical intervention, and a lot of tough love from her family, Tammy finally turned her life around, dropping hundreds of pounds after undergoing weight loss surgery. Fans had praised her for achieving what many thought was impossible, especially after so many seasons of watching her resist change. But now, her admission that she is drinking sodies again feels like a blow to those who celebrated her victory. In a recent candid moment, Tammy explained that while she has come a long way, the journey is still incredibly difficult. She admitted that she let herself slip and started drinking soda again, describing it as a moment of weakness but also something she feels guilty about. She even went so far as to apologize to fans, saying that she knows they have been rooting for her and that she doesn't want to disappoint them. The honesty struck a chord with many, as it highlighted the ongoing battle people face even after achieving major milestones in weight loss or addiction recovery. For Tammy, the soda confession is more than just about a drink. It's a reminder of how addictive tendencies can resurface at any time, especially when old habits are tied to comfort, stress relief, or emotional coping mechanisms. The backlash, however, has been swift. Some fans expressed frustration, claiming that Tammy should know better by now and that drinking sodas could quickly derail her progress. They worry that a small slip could snowball into a bigger relapse, especially since Tammy's past has been filled with cycles of progress followed by backslides. Others, though, are more compassionate, pointing out that recovery from food addiction is not a linear path. They argue that expecting Tammy to be perfect forever is unrealistic and that what matters most is that she recognizes her mistakes, takes accountability, and recommits to making healthier choices moving forward. In fact, many praised her for having the courage to admit her slip publicly, something that not everyone would be willing to do under the constant scrutiny of reality TV fame. Tammy's apology also revealed how deeply she understands the weight of her platform. As a star of 1000 LB Sisters, she has become a figure of inspiration for countless people who struggle with their own weight or health issues. Every step she takes, whether forward or backward, feels magnified because of the way fans relate to her story. By apologizing, she acknowledged that her actions might influence others and that she feels a responsibility to set a good example. This level of accountability shows a maturity and self-awareness that some argue Tammy did not have in earlier seasons. Back then, she often lashed out at criticism and seemed unwilling to admit when she was wrong. Today, though, she appears more reflective, willing to take ownership of her actions, and open to correcting herself before things spiral too far. Still, health experts warn that soda is not a small issue for someone in Tammy's condition. Even after her incredible weight loss, Tammy must remain vigilant about her choices. Sugary beverages are loaded with empty calories that can sabotage weight loss efforts and increase the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and other health complications. For someone like Tammy, who has already faced life-threatening situations due to her weight, drinking sodas could pose serious dangers if it becomes a regular habit again. Doctors have emphasized that post-bariatric surgery patients must be extremely careful with their diet, not just because of weight HT regain, but also because their bodies may react differently to sugar and carbonation after surgery. Fans who are aware of this medical reality are understandably worried that Tammy's soda confession could foreshadow more health scares down the line. On the flip side, Tammy's supporters argue that it is important to acknowledge the human side of her journey. After all, many people relapse in recovery from addictions, whether it be food, alcohol, or drugs. What matters most is how they handle the relapse and whether they use it as an opportunity to get back on track. Tammy apologizing so quickly could indicate that she is serious about not letting this mistake define her. She admitted the slip, expressed remorse, and now has the chance to show that she can regain control without spiraling completely. That, in itself, could be another powerful lesson for fans, that setbacks do not erase success and that self-forgiveness is an essential part of the process. The emotional side of Tammy's confession also cannot be ignored. Fans have speculated that stress might be playing a role in her relapse. Between public scrutiny, filming obligations, family drama, and her personal relationships, Tammy has had a lot on her plate. Emotional stress often leads people back to comfort foods or drinks, especially if those were once a major source of coping. Sodas, in Tammy's case, may have represented comfort and nostalgia, even if they also carried harmful consequences. By admitting this, Tammy might also be opening up a broader conversation about mental health and the importance of emotional support in long-term weight loss success. The timing of Tammy's confession is also interesting, as it comes at a moment when her life has otherwise been on an upswing. After years of struggle, she has been living independently, enjoying outings, and even participating in activities that once seemed impossible. Her confidence has grown, and she has shared numerous milestones on social media to celebrate her progress. For many fans, seeing her drinking sodas again feels like a contradiction to the new Tammy they've been cheering for. Yet, this contradiction might simply highlight the complexity of recovery. Just because Tammy has achieved huge goals does not mean she is immune to temptation or setbacks. In fact, her honesty about it might make her more relatable than ever. Social media has been buzzing since Tammy's soda revelation. Some users have been posting supportive comments, reminding her that everyone makes mistakes and that she should not beat herself up too much. Others have been more critical, expressing concern that she is jeopardizing her health unnecessarily. The debate reflects how invested fans are in her journey and how much they care about her continued success. In many ways, Tammy's slip has reignited the conversation about accountability, body positivity, and the challenges of sustaining long-term weight loss after bariatric surgery. In the bigger picture, Tammy's soda confession serves as a reminder that recovery is not about perfection. It is about persistence, resilience, and the willingness to get up after falling down. Tammy Slaton's story has always been one of extremes, extreme struggles, extreme weight, and now extreme weight loss. But within that story is a very human struggle that countless people can relate to, the battle against old habits. Her willingness to admit her slip and apologize for it could end up being just another chapter in her transformation, one that shows that vulnerability and honesty are just as important as physical progress. As fans continue to watch her journey unfold, the big question remains, will Tammy learn from the slip and move forward stronger than before, or will sodas become the slippery slope that leads her back to dangerous territory? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, Tammy Slaton's journey is far from over, and fans around the world will be watching every step of the way. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.